Now what we can do is we can try some different techniques of deconstructing the drawing. We can deal with the line, tone and shape. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to show you very quickly a few different techniques. What we can do is we can maybe work with one continuous line. Don't lift your hand off the paper. Try and vary the pressure. This is not about making perfect drawings. This is really a very, very good exercise to loosen up, to explore different mark making. And if you see that you don't like something, you can always change it. We don't need to use erasers here, and we should really be as open and as fluid as we possibly can. Another thing that we can try here would be to address the tone individually. So I'm just going to go and very, very gently build. The whole face, or a figure in our case, but I'm just going to go for faces now for the time. For this one, it's very important not to have any outlines that you will fill in with shading. Just really work in a circular motion and gently build up your shapes. And you end up with something which would be a very, very ghostly looking silhouette. You vary your pressure so you can build up the tone. And this would be an interesting technique to try. Another thing that we can do, we can just work with negative space. Now maybe I can do this. In a way, they only end up with a silhouette, empty silhouette, kind of like this one, just in reverse. So this is very useful for fashion drawing and for the figures. Another thing I can do is maybe combine the negative space and tone. So I'm building the shapes of shade. Again, not worrying about it too much, but I'm also leaving some spaces out. Another good and fun thing to do could be if we try and maybe draw with both hands at the same time. Not like yin-yang, but really intersecting. And all of these techniques will help you address the drawing from a different perspective.